Hello and welcome to Fortress Alaska. I'm your host Dave, and guess what? Christmas 2023 is now to like 9 days away. So if you need last minute stocking stuffers for those who are into the shooting sports, these are some ideas for you that you can get. I should say my top 5 last minute stocking stuffers. I know a lot of people do things about gifts and big dollar gifts and stuff like that. These are just stocking stuffers. Little things you can give the gun enthusiast to have them have a Merry Christmas. So let's start off with number 5. And number 5, believe it or not, is quite simple. It's the little bitty tools that we use, whether it be like these little plastic picks, dental picks that people use. Now the problem is when you're scraping away at things, you can break them. So they really are a consumable item. So you'll find these in the gun cleaning section of any gun shop. And also brushes. If you know the caliber they need, these are disposable items. They wear out. So you can get some new brushes for them. And not just one, you can get 2 or 3, whatever. Because if you clean your guns, these brushes wear out. This happens to be a relatively new one. I haven't used it very much. But so some basic cleaning tools will help. So that's number 5 for the stocking stuffers. Number 4 would be some sort of like disposable earplugs. Here we have, throw that one away, little foam disposable earplugs. They're great to have in your range bag in case you forget your muffs, or if someone next to you is shooting a cannon and is bugging you, or if you have a muzzle brake on your rifle or you want to tame it down, or even some of the little gel ones. Just something simple, relatively disposable, but very useful to have in the range bag for those just in case times. I actually keep some of the disposable ones in my coat pocket at all times, because I never know when I'm going to be someplace where it gets noisy. And that's number 4. The number 3 item would be either COP or gun oil, gun cleaning solvent. Nice little bottle, fits in a stocking real nice. Just look at their gun shelf, see what they use, and get another bottle for them. It doesn't go bad. They're going to need it. If they shoot, they're going to be cleaning their guns, oiling their guns, whatever. So gun oil, gun cleaner. This happens to be a CLP. And this was actually in my stocking last year. So, well, not this bottle because I used that one up. But CLP is a good stocking stuffer. So that's number 3. Now, number 2 for stocking stuffers. Well, most people think this would be number 1, but it's only number 2. Is ammo. Well, let's see if we can get it out to shine. Yes, a box of ammo. This happens to be 30 Luger. Anyways, box of ammo makes a great stocking stuffer, whether it be 22 9mm 45 ACP, 30 Super Carry, if they use that, 9mm Luger, or 30 Luger, or 30 long French if you're like some strange internet guy that uses 30 long French. Anyways, a box of ammo makes a great stocking stuffer. Depending on what you get, they can be between, $12 and $50. So it's not expensive, or it can be really expensive. So a box of ammo is number 2 on my list for stocking stuffers. And number 1, I can't show you, but I can tell you. The number 1 stocking stuffer is simply a gift card to their local fun store. Go to the local gun shop that they go to and get a gift card for them. Or if they use Cabela's or Bass Pro or Sports Warehouse, get them a gift card there. A gift card is not a cop-out. It tells them that they want to spend money there, and you're giving them the money to go spend, and it gives them a chance to go out and pick out what they want. And you can get gift cards pretty much in any increment, usually starting around $20 and going up. So you could give them a stocking stuffer that's $20 to go towards ammo, or $1,000 to go do for a new firearm. In fact, that stocking stuffer could be their main gift, and they wouldn't even know it till they got to it. So, stocking stuffers, the number 1 stocking stuffer, in my opinion, is the gift card to the local shop where they buy their firearm supplies. So, once again, let's go through that list real quick again. Number 5, consumable tools for cleaning. Number 4, little foam earplugs, disposable earplugs, something they can carry with them, throw in the range bag, and have just in case of emergency. Number 3 is gun cleaning oil, gun cleaner, whatever they use, just get another one. Number 2, ammo, any type of ammo they need, get it for them. And number 1, once again, is the gift card. So have a very Merry Christmas, and run out there and get your last minute stocking stuffers. So once again, this is Fortress Alaska. I'm your host Dave. Please like and subscribe, do all the algorithm stuff, and as usual, have a good day and get out shooting.